Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel once again. Today we have another question bordering the jet propelled aircraft and how to calculate the thrust required to maintain its flight. Now let's read through the following question. Consider a jet propelled airplane with the following parameters. The wing area S equals 53 meters square, the wingspan B equals 20 meters, and the weight equals 111 kilonewton. The zero lift drag coefficient CDO equals 0.02. The Oxford efficiency factor E equals 0.85. And the airplane is traveling with the ground speed VG equals 187 meters per second at an altitude of 10,000 meters, and the air density rho equals 0.41 kilogram meter cube. Y is flying through the headwind of speed VW equals 27 meters per second. What is the thrust TR required to maintain the straight level and unaccelerated flight? Now, today we have a jet propelled aircraft with the following parameters. His wing area given 53 meters square. The span is given 20 meters. The weight is given 111 Newton. The CDO is given 0.02. The Oxford factor efficiency 0.85. The ground velocity 187 meters per second. With the altitude 10,000 meters. The density of the air in the altitude 0.41 kilogram meter cube. The headwind speed 27 meters per second, and we are supposed to calculate the thrust. Don't let us forget, from the following values we can calculate our AR, which is aspect ratio of the aircraft, equal B square over S. That gives us 20 square over 53, which is 7.55. Also, we know that the equivalent velocity of the flight equals Vg plus Vw. So our velocity equals 187 plus 27, which is 214 meters per second. Now, first of all, we need to calculate our coefficient of lift, and so doing our CL equals 2W over rho S V infinity squared, which becomes 2 times 111,000 over 0.41 times 214 squared. Our CL equals 0.2231. Also, our CD equals CDO plus CS squared over pi EAR, which equals 0.02 plus 0.2231 squared over 3.14 times 0.85 times 7.55. Our CD becomes 0.0225. Let us forget that during straight level on accelerated flight, the thrust always equals to drag. So therefore, our thrust becomes half rho S V squared CD, which is half multiplied by 0.41 times 53 times 0.0225 times 214 squared. So our thrust becomes 1,1,2,0,0 Newton. That gives us 11.2 kilonewton. So our thrust becomes 11.2 kilonewton. Thank you for staying tuned.